To this channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to turn on battery saver on your laptop, that is your Windows laptop. Now how you do that is quite simple. Now once you turn on the laptop, the first thing you need to do is, by this side you see some options down here, the one that looks like an arrow. Click on it for notification, and it will bring up, slide out this menu. So this is for your notification, so you can see battery saver. Yeah, this is battery saver, so you just turn it on. Now if it's off, it's hard to look, but once you turn it on, this will be like this. It's as simple as that. You want to go to the settings, you can now right click and go to the settings. So the settings take it the normal way you get to battery saver. That's what I showed you was a shortcut. This is when you turn it on. If you want it to always on automatically, you can set it here, always 50%, 40, 30, 20, 10. That means when at what percentage of your battery do you want battery saver to turn on? If you don't want it at all, you select never. Then you can also do battery usage per app to see and time the period you want to see that the apps that use your battery. So that's it. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more.